Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to resend to non-openers here in Omnisend. All right, you can go ahead and resend to non-openers here in Omnisend by using the campaign booster feature. Okay, this is the simplest automated method. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to campaigns and select one of your campaigns. Okay, and once done, make sure, for example, you're under the editing section, just click on save and choose recipients until you reach the review section. Okay, click on review campaign right here. As you can see, just enable the campaign booster. This one right here automatically resends to those who didn't open the initial campaign after a set of time, and can be enabled in the campaign review step after a set of time. So just go ahead and choose your booster channel. It could be a chat, it could be via email or SMS. Okay, and you could go ahead and create an SMS right here. For example, email. Okay, you have the campaign booster subject line. You can go ahead and edit it and edit the content as well. Okay, booster sending rules: have not opened, have not clicked, and go ahead and change the send time right here. Okay, and by default, it will be 48 hours after the initial send. Okay, scroll down, you have a ton of options right here. And then once you're happy with your settings, you can now then go ahead and click on send test email or send now. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.